Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the API key itself and placing it where your code can read it. Set an environment variable so the key is not hard-coded. Once done, your code reads OS. Environ. Make sure to install a HTTP client like requests or HTTPX because you will use it to send authenticated requests. This first step prevents accidental leaks and makes rotation easier. Also, create a minimal test script file now so you can run the next steps immediately and confirm the key is accessible. You import OS and requests, then read the key with OS. Getenv. If missing, raise a clear error so you don't send empty auth. Next, build the authorization header or provider-acquired header format. This is how the server recognizes you. Then send the request with proper params and timeouts. Use response. Status code to branch logic. Once you get a 200 series code, parse JSON, otherwise log response. Text for debugging. Make sure to close sessions or use with requests. Session for efficiency. You finish by securing the integration. Move keys to a secrets manager for production and avoid printing them in logs. Test common failures, 401 unauthorized, 429 rate limit, and timeouts, so your code handles retries and backoff gracefully. Once everything works locally, run an integration test in a sandbox environment with reduced permissions. This proves least privilege. One key troubleshooting tip. If you get 401, check that the environment variable is exported in the same shell or service environment where Python runs, and confirm header format matches provider docs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.